Hello and welcome to my video. I had the idea of a poster with a pun on luxury and cherry. This is the 9th part of the series. In this episode, I make eyes for the cherries. I want the eyes to look like those in Japanese cartoons. Oops. If the object cannot be brought to the top, then it's probably on a wrong layer. That issue solved, I continue with positioning the eyes. I want every cherry to have a different look. But nevertheless, I like reusing elements I already have. The first cherries get cheerful squinted eyes, but in different orientations. Here I want to create a shy look with closed eyes. The cherry without pulp gets crosses as eyes to symbolize it's knocked out. The cherry with a leg gets simple round dots. The one with the telescope gets a fitting combination. And these eyes should tell everyone, don't mess with this cherry. Finally, I flip the shy eyes over and get some happy eyes for the last one. And that's it for this part. Thank you for watching. I hope you check in again